Hello guys, this is Ryan and today I would like to tell you about the French Foreign Legion recruitment. And I have heard about a lot of candidates who did not receive the reply from French Foreign Legion because of the form which they have filled up, and this has happened mostly with the people who are international, who are not in France, who are not available in France. So the reason I would like to tell you about is they want currently France is locked down. On 11 they declare that French Foreign Legion they need candidates who are present in France. I would like to tell you about one of the candidates who was in contact with me, and he praises a lot. He praises a lot about there's a lot of chat with him, and before 1 year he was very unknown about the French Foreign Legion, and he was in contact with us, and finally he read a lot of stuff, lot of material which we presented him. We gave him, we sent him via email, and today he is so good. Even he has learned a lot of French. He talks to me in French, in fact, and I'm very surprised. After 1 year, he has contacted me, and he says that one of the best data I have got. Because there's a lot of stuff which I wasn't known, and he thanked us for a lot of efforts because this PDF is really designed to reveal a lot of things which cannot be said to everyone. It's only for certain people who really want to go into FFL. It's not a common knowledge. It's something different. Things what happens in the guest chapel. This is one of the different channel because this is only the recruitment channel. It doesn't allow. I do not want to waste your time and my time with history of FFL, geography of FFL, a common knowledge which is easily available on the website. I'm very not interested in that. I am a researcher and I did the training in FFL and I know how it can be, and the selection process and everything, it can be really good, and tough as well, but things can be very easy. And currently the people who really want to apply for FFL, please make your passport, please make your visa, because this is the time. Please use your time, because if this time will go, this year will go, then I cannot guarantee that another year you have a chance, because again there will be a lot of competition. And now people are really interested after the lockdown. They want power, they want powerful jobs like military jobs, policeman jobs, fire brigade jobs, and you see that government jobs and army and all this, the craze will go higher because now people have seen civilian life is shit. You get to lockdown and you don't know why, even there's pandemic or not, you have to be locked down because civilians are powerless, we can say. So they have all the power, they have so many rights. So many individuals for the power and rights to not to be like a easy civilian lockdown like this. People need power, and military is one of the jobs. It's the best thing. You can have something very best is military, I can say. And French Foreign Legion is allowing you at the age of even 39 years. Maybe they do not select, hardly one or two they select at that age, but at least I know that they select like 35, 36 around they select. But if they are really convinced, if they are really convinced with someone who is 39 or 38, then they might allow. But I haven't seen any case in my life. I haven't experienced anything like this. So about the procedures right now, the people who are international, I must say that please get ready, with the passport and visa. Please read about FFL, please know about what you're gonna handle, what you're gonna have inside. It's not so easy, everything is not so easy. It also depends on what you say and what not you say, your personality, the Gestapo, what games happens inside, what kind of Interpol checking happens. So please understand these things. I am not saying you just for anything. See, everyone has the internet knowledge, but there are some things which is not so common. So please contact me on my email ID here. If you're really interested, if you're a really serious candidate, then only contact me, because I'm a very busy guy with more than 200 of members all the time chatting with me, because they have been reading my ebook before, and I can say that I help them all the time. There's a lot of messages sometimes, and sometimes it's easy, but I have to take care of all of them. So I'm busy with my members all the time, and if you're really interested to be one, to be in a personal communication with me, please contact on my email ID. We will tell you the process how to go on. Alright guys, I want you to be motivated, not to be scared of anything. And the people who are currently in France are, I must say, they are luckiest people, man. Please, 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 be thankful to your parents and God, whoever you believe in, that you are lucky to be in France, and the chances of being in Legion is really, really good. I must say that. I must say that you are really, really happy and lucky. And if the medical is clear, if you have the stamina and ability, still they will allow, still they will allow you to be selected. Alright guys, do subscribe this channel. This is the recruitment channel and not the history tutorial, or we don't want to waste your time with anything. This is just only for the recruitment knowledge. Alright guys, do subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.